This is the part 2 of our vlog yesterday, so that my friend is bring my
I am
camera
Angie's
then
friend. And
because
also
I'm
then,
busy to cook the photo cheese, so
and also
that
then we were going to get a jackfruit. We're going to get a jackfruit to because we don't have a viand. We don't have a viand, so oh, that one. Oh, here's the jackfruit, guys. Also, they were Angie's friend. Hey, Melody, look at me.
Yeah.
Ah,
Sakto na. Di ambi na kay itong putos balik.
and also this is a
Sakto na usa?
nodisa.
Hi. May sakto na usa?
And here's the jackfruit tree. There is the jackfruit tree. Free though. The jackfruit tree. I mean, what I mean. And also, guys, there's a lot of jackfruit trees here.
Yeah.
That one. Also there. It is a jackfruit tree. Where? And also, we would like to get that coconut, but we don't know how to climb.
Yeah, it's
So we better find another coconut.
Taglubi.
Yes.
Tamangita pa taglubi.
Lubi is the Bisaya of coconut.
Yeah. It's our term of coconut.
We will looking for a lubi, a coconut that is going up there. Going up there.
We going to sunod-sunod.
Yes. The coconut milk here in the Philippines, we called it gata in Tagalog. In Bisaya, sunob or tuno. Yes. Coconut milk. Yes.
May lubi uy.
Mangwa sa tagbayabas. Tuwa, tara. Day, mangwa sa tagbayabas, day.
Uy, akong anak dito. Siyot, ayaw ko ba siyot?
Ha?
Siyot. Siyot. Dala ka eh.
So, me, Disa, and Melody, we're going to look for a fruit, a guava fruit. There, that one. We're not so sure if there is there's a guava fruit there, but I think there is, but it's not, but it's not that ripe.
So, amo day.
Hala, it's up there. So we were going to climb. Who's the one who going to climb? Not me. Not me. I'm not going to climb that guava. But oh my God, there's a lot of Yes, that one. Oh, that one is big.
Wow, di mo takaabot po.
Uy, don't let me climb there, huh? You, Melody, you climb the tree. The guava tree. Be careful, it might break, huh? Melody will going to climb the guava tree and Disa will going to find a coconut that falls from the coconut tree. There's no hinog here at the guava tree. This is yes, it's on the bottom top. It's a bottom top.
Mga to nala ka tayo lahat, yuyo.
Here in the province, it is our it is our living. Uy, basin gitapok na natakong bayot. So we could not get the guava because it's so very far away from Naaman Juday. That one.
Gahi. Ikaw gay kuha yun. Gahi uy.
Don't let me climb.
Gahi,
Okay,
gahi.
guys, okay, I will climb.
Sige, video siya.
Bad view of me.
Ay, Shane. Going to climb. Climbing.
We'll do the climbing.
Yeah. Oh, she's so faster. Oh my God! Be careful! You're going to fall. Fall. Banaon tayo. Oh my God! It's so big. It's so yummy. As yummy. Tapos sa tumuyot. Tapos sa tumuyot.
adjust lang ha, basta balian ko din.
Ibawag yut ka. Ah, di pa ko kaabot og imong bawgon yut.
Makita kong bilat ha.
Uy, Ashin. Balik yung buang ka. Naman sa tumoy gud ang sayot.
Dili maabot yut oy.
Narabay bato yut na. Piskot ka di rabay mi kadaog sa imong mahug ka.
Yes,
Nasa imong tiilan hilaw na kana.
Hilaw pa gahi.
makita kong bilat.
Siguro magagilak na anak. Nakabati ko sting tag-usa tayo.
Oh, ay siya is. Oh,
Hilak na
video
lang.
yung imong kuha.
Yes, we only got 2 jackfruit. I just guava fruit. I mean,
Yang sa amin natutulo man ta.
we have a knife. Yes,
Let's go.
let's go.
Because my baby is already
No, because it's so very hot in here.
dili na mo sa dirig balang
Ay. Okay.
Uy,
Ang langka, dalha.
wala na ko buang.
Ipada ang langka kay Imek.
Dali ka ang
So, Disa will go to his son because his son is crying while me and Melody, we were going to ask a coconut. We're going to ask a coconut so we could get the coconut milk for our jackfruit. We're going to make a vegetable jackfruit with coconut milk. Iya gani lang gibon. We've been here for the
Ayaw may lupe.
so I am eating the guava now, but it's so very hard. It might break. No need kay naka sunscreen man. I'm wearing sunscreen so dili na siya maitumang nawong.
Uy, Ginoo nakita day ko diha sa imong kuan. Paglugsong nako.
Kaya wala na do kuno sila balanghoy. Bakit hindi mo naman wala? Basin. Nangyayon we were asking for yayas. We're asking for a coconut because we were harvesting the coconut to sell it. To make a copra. Ang kaya so mag-English ako namin. Pure. Pwede masamit yung bulong mga guwang. Ini? Coba cek. Basta cuy. Ang puto sa mga yan. Jadi boleh jamu cuy. Hindi bila mo ngisi bulu dito, dito mo isay. Mo ta to. Buyak yan na koy. Hindi ko na. Ay, magkuha na koy. Sila ka ni. Okay guys, wait lang. This is our finished peeled coconut. Loday did it. So me, I just took video of her. I don't care. Diyan lang. I just took video of her because I'm the videographer here.
Because siya may ikaw may magkuan.
Yes, I'm going to kagod what do we call it? Kagod in English, uy. We're going to mixer. So this will be posted in Angie's YouTube channel, but I am the one who made the vlog. So guys, if ever you want to follow me on YouTube, just search my name, Shane Salot. I'll be starting posting in my YouTube channel. I already have the videos. Oh my god, so very tiring. We're going to climb up there. But it's okay because we're living in the province. This is how we live here. But look at my face. You can't draw it anymore. My hair tie is very stressed. Can you hear they were laughing? But here, the both of us were suffering. It's not, where's the justice? So we were going to throw this at them. Let's see what would be the reaction. Buwa ka na ni diri. So Melody will going to break the coconut. Ah, that one. Uy, the sabaw is very yummy. Hala. It fell down. Hala, ay, dali abongga. Dili siya buang no. Ayad ako nukuan ang sabaw day sayangi day. No, I will drink the coconut milk, if it is sweet or not. Ew. I thought it's yummy. This one is not yummy. So here we are. Ay, nako. We're here. We are already here. But oh my God, is it so? There is so many people out here. Oh, there's a. Who is this girl? Oh, it's Ate Marilyn. It's Ate Marilyn. What are you doing here?
Uy, nag-live-live ka diha, makitaan ko diha.
Ate Marilyn, what are you doing ha?
Pero man, ipiloy. Dapay mo tamay ka.
Oh, it's Shanshan. Hi, Shan.
Why putol-putol na yung video?
No, I cutted it.
Very good. Itong pikas.
Yes. Do you want me to speak in English? Then I would play it.
Ako'y naiinis na sa'yo.
Asa man si Kwan karon?
Oh,
Asa di pisyo na sa.
I am the videographer. Because they don't know how to speak English, so I would so I did insist to take the video of them. Hey, where's my phone? Phone.
Buwak na ba na yun? Saan yun? Dasa ubos pag yun na sila.
Yeah, what Jude? Okay, for now, after they decide that they were going to cook there in the dirty kitchen, so we decided that we will going to cook the poto cheese outside the house, outdoor. Because the air here in the outside is very fresh. So very refreshing. So Angie is making the fire na. That one. Then the steamer. Angie will going to put the steamer up the ano. Yes.
It's already boiled na.
It's already boiled. So Angie is very good at blowing.
That's where the blow job.
Yes, it's Angie's job, blow job. Are you very good at blow jobbing?
Okay, mlo.
Mulo may may.
Ibutan na des.
Agi kita kang nagkag.
Oy, makita na ni kuan kisa tuingan sa katong gratefully blessed.
Uy, ayuha sa akong kuan.
Makita na, you're good in usay